Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you know this car? Yeah, this is Bugatti Bolide. This one right here is the latest Hot Wheels 2026 release from Case B and C. I have the blue and the red ones, but the blue represents the very first production of this actual car. So, I keep it carded. I already cracked open the red color because it looks nice. Just look at that. Really nice. Anyway, let's open this up and enjoy the show.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Amazing. Just simply amazing. I just love this casting. Hot Wheels actually nailed it. You know, there's only 40 real Bolide exists in this world. And the last one, the 40th Bolide, is in a light blue color. I hope Hot Wheels could release this color too. So here is the red color Bolide again. Okay guys, that's all for now. I hope you really like my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. Take care.
Well, what color is your Bugatti?